Willie here, and I got the Batman game, the plug-and-play TV game, the Batman. So, yeah, I also got the wing set right here in my hands. So let's play this. Haven't played this in quite a while. Let's do like the finale of every one of these characters, the ones that I've beat, the ones that have bars on their face. This is the Joker. That was as easy as pie. If you remember right, in the actual Batman, the real Batman thing, Jim Carrey played the Joker. Actually, I don't like beating him. Let's get some actual acts in here. I hate when I do that. Those things like that are landmines. They blow up. I want to get that health. Checkpoint. Sometimes I just like run around those characters. Just because I can. Couple landmines, eh? Level complete. Not bad. I've done one like that. You just hold the button down, it would work better. Slow-mo. Gotta watch my health. I find it a lot easier than just punching it. Cause like that's slow. Gotta watch out for those. They'll down your life. Oh crap. Darn it. Here, but I can't go like faster than that. Otherwise I'd be zipping through here. Looks like I'm down to like, yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna end this video. So subscribe and have a great day. See ya.